back. Sorry guys, there's someone at the door. So, figured it out, so I'm just gonna like... Oh, don't start. Don't start. Gonna stop the beat. Gonna stop. Stop. And I'm gonna try to connect these the right way. Gosh, it's so hard. When there's like no room. Okay guys, so make sure that all your connecting thingies are slightly larger. Like, I really didn't think they would be this much smaller. And I'm actually even starting to get tempted to use one of these as one of these. That would look cool though, like two of them. Nothing wrong with that, actually. You know what? I'm so done with you messing with me. Ha ha ha, the ring through the tool. Very funny. Oh, it's gonna be funny when I fix it. Ha! Innit? Let's see. Cause man. Oh no! It doesn't even go through. Okay, wah, joke's on me. Again. Let me see. Anyway, no. Ah! Oh my gosh! It freaking clicked. It freaking clicked. Ew, no. Bugger. Do me right. Okay, now it's getting too long. I don't care. We're gonna do this. We are going to do this. Maybe I'll do this for now, temporarily. Ooh, it's a bit of a bit. It's quite long. Plus the other hook. Okay, off camera, I removed another thingy because the way I'm trying to do it is like we got extra length again. And yeah, we're gonna add this and then market this like that. So excited. And then close it like that. And guys, if it gets messy, don't be hard on yourself. Who cares? These parts don't really matter. You know? Look. I squeezed too hard and it's not a perfect circle anymore. But who cares? The point is that it's fastened. Okay? It became kind of like an oval because I squeezed too hard, but that's okay. Look at this. Oh my gosh. I just have an idea. Oh my gosh, it's gonna be so good. I'm not gonna say anything. You're just gonna have to watch the video. But yeah, like, what does that look like to you? Hint, hint. You are anything you say can against you. That's all I'm gonna say. Okay. So let's see if this works. Oh my god, that's too much. I feel like it's too much. Which is good because I don't need to undo any of these. I just have to like pull whatever one I don't want. I mean, it's okay like this, but no, it's too, oh my gosh. No, 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 no. That won't do, that will not do. Okay. 1, 2, 3, gold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, gold. And then 1, 2. Yeah, definitely need something in the middle. I think I will take this purple and put it somewhere here in the middle so it's more aesthetically pleasing. And oh my gosh, how am I gonna get this out? Because getting it in was a little weird. Yeah. Oh, it was just like that, duh. Okay. Let's adjust this. Adjust it. And yeah, don't forget not to pull from the thick part because, you know, you might crack the whole thing and spoil it. So always try to, if you're using like a similar, you know, plastic material, from this thinner side to the other one, because then it's like basically it just slides right off. So I'm thinking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 gold, 1, 2 gold, 1, 2, and then maybe put the purple there between these two. Let's see. I think so because they're two, like it's two, 3 of them look very, you know, the same. Let's see how this looks. It's gonna be weird. I hope I don't spoil it. Oopsie. Let's see. That's much better. The gold, gold, gold. We need another gold here. And then we have a gold in the end there. But we need to remove some, so I'm gonna try removing. I want at least 2 greens, and then I've got 2 blues, and then we've got like, you know what? I think I will replace. Oh, I don't know, guys. Because these will be like for the earrings, and I can do a lot with that. But for measuring purposes right now, let's do that. Like, clearly, I need to remove another one. So for something purposes, what's the word I'm looking for? No, observation, that's not right. It's not right. It's not right. Let's say telephone, it's not right. Demonstration purposes, that's the right word. Okay, so we got gold, gold, and we need one here. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna take something in the middle here. And I think, you know, I think definitely this white one. You know why? Because it's blue, brown, and here it's pretty much the same. Blue, brown. And then it's that beige. But they mixed it up there, so since we need to take one out, let's take it out from there. Hopefully it's enough. I'm thinking though I might feel a little bit unbalanced with the gold. Doesn't have, I mean, like it just feels a little bit weird here, empty. So I might have to take out, not take out, but replace somebody with a gold, because that's what it's gonna look like. Right. Na, 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 na. 1, 2, nothing, 4. Because that color is actually very important. It's one of the dominant colors of the whole look. And here we've got white and orange, and combined they do match these colors, like the skin, you know, the salmon peach pinky color. We've got this one there. It's different on the camera, but it's like a little bit of like a pink undertoned copper color. So we should definitely try to keep this, and it did look very nice earlier when these were in there. When you start separating things, things can change a lot. So I think I will have to like replace, because the white, I mean, it's like a yellow, transparent yellow. Doesn't do much for me, you know. I'd rather have this. So much prettier. You know, the camera is not doing this justice, but yeah, when you look at it on camera, it's perfect and balanced and the way it's supposed to look. But when you've got like 2 versions, yeah, a bit of a mindfuck. But let's not be so dramatic, Caroline. Right. Okay. Ta-da! So pretty. Okay. My gosh. And then connect these guys. Connect these guys. Make sure that I connected right, because I wanted... I think I have to flip it. Yeah, because I didn't want that to show. Oh, you see what I mean? But then I can just flip this one. And that won't show. The opening, I mean the, you know, the connection part. Oh my god, my churros. Dios mío. Ah. Let me see. I can always fix it later. Back. Finally, they're done. My churros are perfecto. Okay. Right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So divide the 3. Yeah, I'll fix the weird stuff here, you know, because before everything looked like this. Perfect. But now this one and this one is showing, so I'm gonna fix that later. Like they're supposed to be like this with the other ones, so I'll fix it later. But yeah, anyway, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So I'm gonna try and see what it's gonna be. But wait a minute, what if it's like perfect already now? I think it is. Yeah, I might just have to move the gold here. Or you know what, actually, you know, like one on this side and one gold on that side. But no, I really feel like here will be so much prettier with like that metal contrast. So yeah, let's try it. Maybe it will still be nice. 1, 2, 3, and put the gold where it's gonna be. Oh my gosh. If you want somebody to go nuts, not go nuts, sorry, that's not nice, like drive them nuts. Not too madness, but you know, mess with them a little bit. Ask them to fix this for you. Oh, you know, my God, I'm gonna be so busy. Please, could you just like do this for me? They'll be like, I'm never doing anything arts and crafty for you ever again. Okay, so here we go. Look at that, so nice, so nice, so nice, so beautiful and so nice. I'm going to flip that around. How did that sound? I think, there we go. No, but the blue one is still weird. Yeah. I'm gonna fix it. Anyway, whatever. We'll do that later. Because we're doing this for observation purposes. Observation? I did it again. What's the word? For something purposes. Something. Anyway, I said it earlier. So, yeah, this was it, right? Yeah, this is supposed to be like this. Right, and this one, this is the adjusting one. This is the on and off part, right? So, this is how I do it. I flip my bracelets always. And I always start with the long part like this. And then I connect like that. Oh my God. It's so cute. Oh my gosh. Like, looky. Some milk and cookies. Hi. How you doing? So pretty. So nice. A little bit much with the henna, but that's okay. That's not going to be there forever. It's gonna go, I'm gonna wear it one of these days. It's springtime too, so these colors are fantastico for the mood and the weather. Yes, and then I might fix that. But yeah, I have ideas. It's so weird because like a while back I was thinking, oh, I would like earrings like this and such and the other, and I'd never thought that I could like make that what I've been thinking into, you know what, and you know. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed watching this fabulous project. And yeah, like and subscribe if you wish. Thank you for watching. Take care now. Bye.